Hey guys, Steve Welch here, Beam at Toyota. Going to show you how to remove the center seat, how to store it, how to reinstall it. Just pretty easy to show you here. So I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to put this right here. So that way we can get a pretty good view on it here. So you'll notice up here, you have a number 1 up top. You also notice you have a number 2 down here, and then there's a number 3 on the bottom. Those are important. You need to go in that order to take the seat out. So number 1, pull here. And you're going to fold this down. Number 2 is going to release the back of the seat. So once you do this, you'll see the back of the seat will lift up. Then number 3 will actually release the front. Give her a good tug. And then it'll release the front. And then you can lift up the whole thing here. And it'll pop out. If it catches again, you just pull the strap where it's catching, right? But then you see you have your cup holder under there. This will store in the back. To put it back in, I always make sure that these armrests are up. But you're going to see underneath, pretty easy here. You got your 2 little latches in the back. Start with the back, right? Drop that down in there. Make sure this piece that's hanging down is down front. Put that there. Pop that back up. Watch for the seat belt. Make sure you have your seat belt out of there, and then it's latched back in there. It will also recline with the seat that's beside it. So that's how it works on the Sienna to remove or install your seat. Steve Welch, Beam at Toyota. You guys have a great day. Bye.